how do I scale, pan, and zoom in Chemvue? When you're collecting data, Chemvue will automatically scale to match your data range if it's larger than what's already on the screen. But if you come across data that is not fully scaled, you could always use the Scale to Fit button to make your data fit on the entire graph area. You can scale automatically with the button, or you can scale manually as you saw me do earlier. You hover over the numbers either on the y-axis or the x-axis, click and hold, you could also use a touchscreen, and drag up or down to change the scale on either x or y-axis. And if you need to change the starting point at the bottom of the scale, you can pan. So anywhere where there's no data in the graph area, left click or hold and drag to change the bottommost value as another way to pan and change the scale. If you get lost and your data disappears, you can always hit Scale to Fit. And finally, how do you zoom on just one area of the data? Suppose I'm interested in this flat area at the end of the data set. For that, you want to use the Data Selection tool, select it, and draw a box around the data you wish to zoom in on. You can adjust your selection by grabbing any of the four handles, and only the highlighted data will be selected. And then you can auto-scale again to zoom in on that selection of data. To remove a zoomed section of data, choose the colored box, remove by hitting the X, and then rescale.